Welcome to Crofts Estate Agents. We're here at Lavenham Road. We're here at this delightful 3-bedroom semi-detached dormer bungalow. Comes with plenty of off-road parking, as you can see down here, and a nice concrete and block paved driveway, low maintenance frontage, and as you can see down there, brick garage with space for a car. This property is coming on the market today for £185,000. Makes a perfect family home or a retirement bungalow. Very close to shops, on bus routes, close to medical centres, not far from the shops in Scartho. And this is the back garden. You can see here we've got a patio area, conservatory extension. The conservatory's actually got a hard roof, and we've got lawn to the rear, well tended gardens, nice borders, the path through the centre down to another block paved area with a shed. All nice fencing, treated on all sides, wall to the driveway. You can see the rear, it's got the dormer at the top there. Come back up the path and we'll go onto the inside of the property. Let's do a quick look at the garage. You can see there, plenty of space for a small car. That's an i10. Got some eave storage there as well. Up back down the driveway, nice wide driveway, so even with these steps here you can still get the car down. So go into the kitchen. It's just a nice cream kitchen, white splashback tiling, gas hob, space for tall fridge freezer, space for washing machine and slimline dishwasher. Got a breakfast bar there too. Storage cupboard, built-in double oven grill. Into the hallway, there are two entrances. There's one into the kitchen there and the other there into the normal hallway. It depends who you want to greet into the house. While we're here at the front of the house, we'd have the smallest bedroom on the ground floor. Obviously it can be flexible in its use. If you don't want to use it as a ground floor bedroom, it can be used as a dining room, and indeed has been by the present occupiers. Back round to the other side at the front is the lounge. Real nice sized lounge this, probably about 3.5 by 4.5 meters. And then another reception room to the rear, which is the dining room at present. Now we've got a cupboard under the stairs there as well. Big sliding door and window into the conservatory. It does open easily. And here we have the conservatory extension, which now has a hard roof. It's got blinds. It's a very sunny garden, this south facing, windows on all sides, but this hard roof has seen to it that it's a usable room all year. So back out of the conservatory, through the dining room, back into the hallway. On the ground floor we have a bathroom. That's a shower room. So you can see we've got sink, WC, large walk-in shower with quite a low threshold shower, and some units over there, frosted window to the side with a blind. And then we've got the first floor. So as we got the first floor, just remind you, we're on Lavenham Road, 3-bedroom semi-detached dormer bungalow, coming on the market for £185,000. So onto the landing now. You can see we've got loads of storage. That's very deep, and it's also got a hole through the back of that storage into eave storage. And here's another big double bedroom. You'll see plenty of head height, even though the walls come in slightly. Got storage units over there. I'll go over the other side of the room to give you a full view. Window to the side. Nice big bedroom. And then we also have another big bedroom. So two really big bedrooms upstairs. The dormer on the back here really emphasises that. These wardrobes here are quite a size, and we've still got a double bed and more furniture over there. Again, doorway into eave storage. Nice neutral decor, cream and white. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is just about that. It's a beautiful house coming on the market, competitively priced at £185,000. The vendors will listen to offers. There isn't a forward chain, so occupants are moving in with children. and this one can be available to move into, so it makes a nice family home, or it makes a nice retirement bungalow, relatively low maintenance gardens, and we think this is a really great buy. So get in touch with the Crofts Estate Agents on 01472 200 666.